Welcome. Today we're diving into how to enable post notifications on Instagram, allowing you to stay updated with your favorite accounts. Let's get started with the updated steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in, it's time to navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Give that a tap to access the settings menu. From here, scroll down until you find Notifications. Tap on that option to see a list of various notification settings available to you. Next, you'll want to tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section lets you customize how you receive updates from accounts you follow. Once you're in this menu, scroll down until you find the first Post and Story option. Here's where the magic happens. Select From Everyone to ensure you get notified whenever someone you follow makes their first post or story. And there you have it. You're now set up to receive notifications from all your favorite accounts. Enjoy staying connected and never miss a moment from those you follow. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.